Hello everyone, Obali here. My iPhone 5. The battery started to swell and was pushing the screen off. I've got a replacement battery with all the tools, but as I removed the screen, or I thought that the screen only, this stayed behind. And without getting that off, I can't get to the battery. Anybody have any idea on how to get that off, please? I've got all the battery, I've got all the tools, yada yada yada. But I don't want to go into that like a bull in a china shop and find the whole lot is junked. Thank you.